Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Monday, November 27, 2023. The markets put in a quiet session there to finish the week last week, and it was a narrow range day. So we're going to take a look at what's happened on a Monday following that narrow range session. We're going to use an NR4 for this pattern. Let me go ahead and get it set up. I've got all four instruments selected. Our setup is based upon entering long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, we're trading lower in the overnight session as I record this. So from the opening filters, I'm clicking on gap down from the gap direction library here. The next thing I'm going to do is go to the price patterns library, and I'm going to say that yesterday or the prior trading session was a narrow range 4. You can see we had up to a narrow range 13 on that session there. This is looking at Friday's session. So that was a narrow range 4 and beyond, but we're going to use 4 to get the most samples. Then I'm going to the indicators. I'm going to put us in a similar market environment, closed above a 10 and 200. Last thing I'm going to say, today's a Monday. So from the calendar section, I'm hitting equals next to Monday. Now I'm going to click view results. All right, here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time when it is a Monday that you're gapping down on, and the prior session was a narrow range 4, which means the most narrow range of the past 4, and closed above a 10 and 200-day simple moving average. Historically, 68 samples here for the S&P, 58 for the NASDAQ, 59 for the Dow, 62 for the Russell. If we take a look at the win rates on them, S&P coming in, 62% of these have closed above the opening print. The NASDAQ stronger at 69%. Dow, 59%, Russell, 55%. If we take a look at the average moves, average move to the upside here a bit larger in the S&P. That's also the case in the NASDAQ. That is the case in the Dow. The Russell's the only one with the larger average move to the downside. So historically speaking, this pattern's favored the bulls a bit more often here, and the winners have been a little bit larger on that side as well. Hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We will see you next time.